Today's recipe is a wickedly indulgent dessert. Definitely a wonderful way to finish a dinner party or family gathering. Today's recipe is apple strudel. Let's get to it. Step 1. Take 2 large Granny Smith apples, peel them, core them, and cut into thin slices. Take a mixing bowl and combine 1 tablespoon of plain flour, 1/4 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, add the apples, 2 tablespoons of raisins, and toss to coat. Next, get a flat baking tray and line it with baking paper. Now, as far as the pastry is concerned, you can use the pre-made pastry that you can buy in the supermarket, or you can make your own. If you're going to prepare your own pastry, you'll need to dust the baking paper and roll the pastry lightly in one direction from around about a 30 to 40 centimetre rectangle. With one short side facing you, spoon the apple mixture over the bottom of half of the pastry, leaving around 2 centimetres of border around the edges. The next thing you'll need to do is preheat the oven to 190 Celsius. Roll the pastry into large logs, place and seam down on the baking tray and tuck the ends under the roll. Next, grab a bowl and break 1 egg and add a tablespoon of water. Brush the egg mixture. Cut several 2 centimetre long slits about 2 centimetres apart on the top of the roll and bake for 35 minutes until golden. Transfer to a wire rack lined with baking paper for 30 minutes to cool and dust with icing sugar to serve. Now, you can have quite a few different things with this. You can have ice cream, you could have just ordinary cream, you could have maple syrup, whatever takes your fancy. And there you go, that's how you make apple strudel. If you've enjoyed this recipe, go to my channel and subscribe, like and share, and also look at the other recipe that I have up in the corner of this video. Until next time, bye for now.